Best time. You're the best. Away they go. Sharp Cookie, Kings Dominion, Durango. Rushing up by the rail to grab the lead is Security Check. It's now Security Check, followed by the Force down on the inside. And on the outside is Durango, Kings Dominion, Dynamic Club. Win Racing on the outside, Sharp Cookie and Hot Gossip. Security Check by about 2 lengths, followed by the Force in second. Durango is racing in third. Dynamic Club, Danori inside for Kings Dominion. Rounding the far turn, Security Check still leading by about 2 lengths. The Force in second. Durango racing in third. Dynamic Club, Kings Dominion is racing on the outside as they race the final corner. Security Check still leading by about 2 lengths, followed by the Force in second. Durango, Kings Dominion on the further outside. Security Check, Kings Dominion is on the outside. Security Check, Kings Dominion, but Security Check winning this race by about 3 over Kings Dominion. Durango, Dynamic Club, and the Force for your Pentafecta.